Hi, Bean Beauties. I got air mail, literally air mail. All the way from Australia. Yes, all the way from Australia. I bought a bag from Kaz. 5 foot nothing in this box. So if you 5 foot nothing in the box, she's so tiny she probably could fit in this box. That would be so much fun to have her visit over here in the States from down under. But if you are interested and curious to see what I bought from Kaz from 5 foot nothing, then stay tuned and come on back because let's get started. Let's get started. I pre-opened this already, and because I just checked it and make sure that the contents were okay. I didn't look and open it up, but I mean I know what I was buying. And she packed it very, very well. So if you purchase anything from her, she has an eBay store that she is going to be listing some stuff on, or already did. She does a very good job of packaging, more packaging. Did you see? So let's see. I've been wanting this bag. Little story time. I've been wanting this bag for a while. And at Christmas time, it came on sale in my power color at Dillard's. And I was going to get it. However, my daughter asked me for this bag in a different color, and that color was not on sale. I had to buy it full price from did I buy it from Coach or did I buy it from Nordstrom because it was sold out? No, I think I bought it from Coach. I don't remember. And can you tell? Any guesses? Put down in the description box if you can guess the silhouette, what it is. So I have been wanting one of this since I saw it. I didn't buy it, y'all. So a little story time. I didn't initially buy it when I first saw it because I didn't realize it had a crossbody strap. Okay. So I never bought it because I thought, oh, it's definitely not going to fit my shoulders. Then I bought the Brooklyn 23 because it was a similar silhouette, and that was like a disaster because of the magnet. If they ever improve the magnet, so if y'all buy any and they come out again and the magnets are as strong as like the bigger bags, then let me know because I will probably rebuy that bag. But I just couldn't see paying the price for that bag, and the magnets didn't stick, and I was in my return window, and that was at the very beginning of me starting to curate my collection. So I returned 2 bags, brand new bags that just didn't work. They didn't meet the DD bean cut. So I had bought that in replace of it. So then I found out that this one has a crossbody, and I didn't know that. I guess I just didn't look enough. I don't know. I never saw anybody use a crossbody. I don't know. But this is it. Dun, 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 dun. So it's not in my power color. And I think this might even be the color that I bought my daughter. This is, I believe, the stone. And I'm not sure if she wanted, if I bought her the stone or the ivory. I'll have to let you know. I'll put it over here, what the color down here, what color I bought her. But because I bought her that full price, I couldn't. Well, Kaz was selling this, and because the Australian rate is so poor for them, so bad for her, but good for me, for us, because I got this at a fantastic price. And if you go over and watch her video, you will know what price it paid. So I'll try to link that video or put a picture of that video so you can search out that video. And I was like, I was all over it. So this is, in case you don't know, this is the Lana 23. The Lana 23. So see, I thought it was just a little top handle, which, you know, I have lots of top handle bags, you know, not a problem. But sometimes I just get tired, and this is a big enough bag that I thought that I would want to wear it like on a longer day. And then I wonder if my daughter and I are twinning. I have to see. When my daughter told me that, I said, oh, that's one of my bags on my list. One of my bags on my list. So let's see. It has, this must be the belt. So I guess, I wonder if she bought it at Selfridges. I don't know. At least she put the dust bag for a belt in here. Maybe it's something she had. So here is the belt. I'm going to go ahead and just put it at the longest length for me, because that's, I know where I need them at. And Coach is very generous with their straps, at least for tall people, big people for myself. Kaz is teeny tiny, so it probably drives her crazy, but you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 holes, 7 holes, you know. And I'm curious to something. Okay, I'll check something in a second. So here is the strap. I'm gonna hang it right here. I'm on my other side of my studio, so I don't know which video is going to go up, but this side of the studio is being worked on. So here it is right here. There is the inside. It has a beautiful leather lining. It has a snap or magnetic pocket here. And it's good at, yeah, right there. And does it go out to the bottom? It doesn't go all the way to the bottom. It does like cross under. However, it is a little bit on the rounder side, so things may not slide through. That's one of the things that I don't like, is when they're not attached to the bottom. However, with this bag, I think it might be okay. And I use pouches. I've learned to use pouches more when it comes to something like that. And then there is the rings right here, is where you attach it for crossbody. I don't think that I'll be able to, well, you might see the rest of this craziness, but I'll probably try to put in some mod shots at the end. It's a beautiful bag, and it didn't work for Kaz, but it works. I'm pretty sure it'll work for me. It'll definitely work at this price point. If it's just a top handle bag that I can use, then I'm okay with it. The price point I got it from her for. It doesn't have any feet on the bottom, but it's a nice small bag, and it's just really pretty. I love the pleating on the side. It's a beautiful color. This is like probably my second item with this color. I have the Bowery 22 that's in this color. So let me I want to do something and then try to do mod shots. So hold on just a second, okay? Let me pause. Okay, I wanted to get my tape measure, because at one time I remember reading that the holes are generally an inch apart. And that's what I wanted to check, and they are. Okay, they are an inch apart. So see, let me put on the side so you can see. It's from right in between. See, can you see? That's an inch. So then you have to play with. Then you'll have 7 inches to play with on the strap length. So I just thought that'd be a nice little tidbit of information. Okay, hold on just a second. I had to add an extender, and it's only one extender because I don't have matching extenders. I like to have extenders on both sides and then adjust the strap accordingly, but I only have one. See, so here's the extender that I put on it. It matches pretty good, the hardware. There's the original hardware, there's the extender. Just got them off of Amazon. This is how it looks. So it works. And so even if I want to move it closer this way, because these handles are the type that don't fold down, so I definitely have to have an extender, because they don't fold down, which I'm okay with, because now I know all about extenders. At first, when I started first buying and then collecting, I didn't know about extenders or anything like that. Now I know the whole world of extenders. So now, as they say, the whole world is my oyster. So it's just a matter of whether I like it or not. So I love this, and carry it here. I can carry a top handle, and it goes to the crook of my arm under, right here. So if I need to do it that way, so if I do it that way, and then that's how it looks like if it hangs. Let me show you what it looks like without the extender. I'm 5'4.5", 5'5" basically, 260. Before y'all start saying bad things about me, I've lost a lot of weight. I used to be 315. I'm 260. I used to be 315 when I started my channel. So I've lost a lot of weight. So here at the very last one, and it goes right here. It's, you know, hits me right at the boob. Hits me right at the boob. See? Not a good look. Not a good look. But because of the magic of extenders, ta-da! I mentioned to y'all about the Bowery. Here's the Bowery 22. Love this cute little bag. So here are the dark stone in both of those colors. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, let's go back. Lana 23 in the dark stone color. I love it. I'm glad to have this in my collection. Would I still want a red one in my power color? Maybe someday if I got a super price for it. I was able to get one recently at a great price. It was on the sale of the Dillard's sale price, but I had already purchased this one and I hadn't opened this one yet, and I have kind of a rule for myself right now, since I'm trying to curate my collection, that I can't bring anything else in, can't commit to anything else until I get a couple of big items paid off and I can do all my videos. At least I don't have to put them out there or edit them yet. I just have to at least record them and open all my boxes. So until that gets done, so we are in March. I don't know when you're going to be seeing this, but we're in March, and couldn't be happier. Thank you, Cass. Thank you so much. If you have any more great deals like that, let me know. Let me know. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Thank you so much. And Cass, thank you so much for helping me out. And thank you so much for sending this to me. She sent it Australian post. They were great. Just fantastic. All right, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye.